Hi everyone. You all are, we are here for grade 2 math. You can find all the lessons on aplustudents.com. Your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 2 math and view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter subtraction one digit. Let's just start with and the lessons we're going to cover today are your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. One digit, let's just start with like the lesson that is subtraction with pictures. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, so let's just start with the first example that is 15 take away 5. So you can see you have 15 screwdrivers and 5 of them are crossed. You need to count the ones that are not crossed. So that's how you do subtraction with pictures, right? That is very basic subtraction. So you need to count the one that are not crossed. So they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 15 take away 5 is 10. Okay, one more thing. You don't have to use the Skype now to contact any tutor. Here you can see the chat button, this button right on the left corner, right? You can see here this button. Hold on. This button, right? The one I circled just now. You can just click on this button and you can contact tutor there, right? So you don't need to use the Skype now. The system is updated now. You can just use this live chat button. But that's just between the shift hours, right? That 5 to 9, Monday to Friday. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, subtract, that is 11 take away 8. So you need to count the pans that are not crossed. So how many of them are not crossed? That is 3. 11 take away 11 take away 8 is 3. You need to count the one that are not crossed. So only 3 of them are not crossed. The correct option is 3. Got it? Okay, the next one is That is 14 take away 10. So which is the correct option? You need to count the beds that are not crossed, right? That would be 14 take away 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of them are not crossed. So the correct option is 4. Got it? Okay, the next one is 17 take away 8. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 9. 17 take away 8 is 9. You just have to count the one that are not crossed. So 17 take away 9. Thirteen take away 3, which is the correct option? The correct option is 13 take away 3 is 10. The correct option is 10. Option number 2 is the correct option. You guys are here to learn. Why don't you just answer the question I am asking? Please answer, write the relevant answers, right? The correct option is 16 take away 8 is 8. Option number 3 is the correct option. The next one is 12 take away 2, which is the correct option. The correct option is 10. 12 take away 2 is 10. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next question, next lesson. The next lesson is write subtraction sentences to describe pictures up to 18. Okay, write a subtraction sentence based. Okay, now you are given the picture. You have to write the sentence on your own. How do you write first? You need to count all the things, right? The one that are crossed and the one not crossed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That means the total they are 13. Now you need to count the ones that are crossed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 of them are crossed. And now you need to count the one not crossed. So they are 7. So 13 take away 6 is 7. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay, so let's just start with the test questions on the picture. So you need to write the subtraction sentence, right? So first, let's just count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So in total they are 13, right? The ones 2, 3, 4, 5. So 13 take away 5. So now you need to count the one that are not, I think they are 14, not 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, they are 14. 14 take away 5. So 14 take away 5 is 9. The correct option is option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? That is, so be careful while counting, right? The correct option is 14 take away 5 is 9. Write a subtraction sentence based on the picture. So which is the correct option? Mm, they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 6. That is 15 take away 6 equals 9. Yes, that's option number 2. 15 take away 6 is 9. Option number 2 is the correct option. Next one is write a subtraction sentence based on the picture. So which is the correct option? The correct option is mm, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think that is option number 1 is the correct option. 11 take away 3 is 8. Option number 1 is the correct option. The next one is write a subtraction sentence based on the picture. So which is the correct option? That is 13 take away 6 equals 7. Option number 3 is the correct option. Okay, write a subtraction sentence based on the picture. So, which is the correct option? The correct option is that is 12 take away 5 is 7. Option number 2 is the correct option. Very good. Write a subtraction sentence based on the picture. So, which is the correct option? Mm, that is 14 take away 8 is 6. Option number 1 is the correct option, isn't it? You can count and check which is the correct option. The correct option is 14 take away 8 is 6. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is subtract all, 0 or all. So subtracting 0, right? Subtracting 0 means the number stays the same. Whatever number it is, if you subtract it from the 0, the number stays the same. Look, 7 take away 0, that is 7. 10 take away 0, that is 10. So whatever number it is, when you are subtracting it from the 0, the number stays the same. One more thing, if you need help with any lesson now, you can see this chat button over here, right? So you just have to click on this chat button. That is a live chat option. You can live chat with the tutors. They are available during the shift timing, that is 5 to 9, right? So just click on the button and they are available to help you. Let's just start with it as you don't need to go to Skype, right? Okay, the first one is 8 take away 8. So which is the correct option? So 8 take away 8 means subtracting a number from itself, right? And subtracting a number from itself always makes a 0. So whatever number it is, if you are subtracting it from itself, the number is always a 0. The correct option is 0. So 8 take away 8 is 0. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is 4 take away 4. So which is the correct option? Yes, subtracting a number from itself always makes a 0. So 4 take away 4 is 0. Option number 3 is the correct option. The next one is subtract 2 take away 0. So 2 take away 0 equals Yes, whatever number you are subtracting from 0, the answer is always the same number. So 2 take away 0 is 2. The correct option is 2. 2 take away 0 is 2. What do you mean nobody? Where? Nobody again. What do you mean? Can you please write the complete sentence? Subtract 6 take away 0 equals. The correct option is 6 take away 0 is 6. So the correct option is 6. The next one is subtract 10 take away 10. So which is the correct option? Yes, 10 take away 10 is 0. Subtracting a number from itself always makes a 0. The correct option is 0. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. You guys are here to learn, right? You don't answer whatever question I'm asking. You are just here to wait for someone who can chat with you. Very sad. Let's just start with the next lesson, that is subtraction mixed word problems up to 18. Let's just start with the lesson. Subtraction word problems up to 18. So let's just start with the first example. A caravan on the Oregon Trail had a total of 12 pounds of meat. If they had 1 pound of fresh meat, how many pounds of dried meat do they have? So the total meat they have is 12 pounds, right? And a 1 pound is the fresh meat. You need to calculate the one that is dried meat. Twelve take away 1 is 11. That means 11 pound of the meat is the dried meat. Let's just start with the test questions. Shannon made a new playlist with 11 songs. Three of these songs are fast songs and the rest are slow. How many of the songs are slow songs? So, which is the correct option? You need to find the total songs were 11. You need to find three of them are the fast song. How many of them are slow? So basically you need to do 11 take away 3, right? So you need to Start with 3 and count until 11. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. 5, 6, 7, 8. So that means 11 take away 3 is 8. So 8 of them are old songs. The correct option is 8. Got it? The correct option is 8. So 8 of them are the slow songs. The correct option is 8. Last week, Priya practiced a song 15 times. If she practiced a song 6 times on her own, how many times did she practice a song in front of others? So, which is the correct option? Yes, 15 take away 6 is 9. So, the correct option is 9. Option number 1 is the correct option. Ali is collecting shells on the beach. She found a total of 14 conch and snail shells. Two of them were conch shells. How many of the shells were snail shells? So, which is the correct option? That's 14 take away 2 is 12. The correct option is so 12 of them were snail shells. The correct option is 12. An empty school bus picked up a total of 16 children from school. At its first stop, one child got off the bus. How many children stayed on? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is very good 15. 16 take away 1 is 15. One dropped off. So, 16 of them stayed on. 15, sorry. The next one is as a firefighter, Kira has helped put out a total of 17 fires. If she helped put out 7 fires in the city, how many fires has Kira helped put out there that were not in the city? So which is the correct option? The correct option is the correct option is 10. 17 take away 7 is 10. Option number 1 is the correct option. Very good. Jenna and Anita has a total of 12 comic books between the two of them. If Anita has two comic books, how many comic books does Gina have? So which is the correct option? The correct option is 12 take away 2 is 10. So the correct option is again 10. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is complete the subtraction sentences up to 18. So let's just start with the lesson. So basically you need to find the missing number. Fill in the missing number. 15 take away missing number equals 7. So which number is missing? How do you have to use the subtraction fact, right? The subtraction fact means you can see here 15 is given. You always subtract a smaller number out of the greater one, right? So that means here the smaller number is missing, right? When you have the smaller number is missing, you can simply subtract this 7 on the other side, right? So 15 take away 7 is 8. That is 8. The missing number is 8. Let's just start with the test questions. Missing number. So again, you are given the greater number, 17 is given. You have the smaller number that is missing and that equals 9, right? So in the case when you have the smaller number missing, you need to subtract this number from both sides. So you have to do 9 take away 9 both sides, right? So this makes 0 and 7 take away 9 makes 8. So that means the missing, you need to move 8 other side. So that means the missing number is 8. So that means 17 take away 9 is 8. So the correct option is 8. Let's just move on to next one. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? Okay, fill in the missing number. So missing number minus 4 equals 14. So which is the correct option? The correct option is the missing number minus 4 equals 14. So in this case, you have the greater number missing, right? When you have the greater number missing, you simply have to subtract this number on the other side. So that would be, you need to add because that is subtracting here. The other side you need to add. So 14 take away 14 plus 4 is 18. So that means because the greater number is missing, right? So that means the greater number is 18. The correct option is 18, option number 2 is the. Fill in the missing number. So missing number minus 2 equals 9. So which number is missing? The correct option is 11 take away 2 is, sorry, the missing number is 9. 11 take away 2 is 9. Option number 1 is the correct option. Fill in the missing number. So which number is missing? The correct option is 15 take away 8 is 7. The missing number is 8. Very good. Option number 1 is the correct option. Fill in the missing number. So which number is missing? The correct option is 12 take away 5 is 7. Option number 3 is the correct option. Got it? Fill in the missing number. The correct option is 16. Take away 2 is 14. The correct option is 2. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself. So here we are working on the grade 2 math. Chapter we're working on is subtraction. We have covered today are subtraction pictures. We have started with our lesson. Pictures, write subtraction sentences to describe pictures up to 18. Subtract 0 and all. Subtraction word problems, and then complete the subtraction sentence up to 18. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. Sorry, you don't have to contact on Skype right now, right? You can see here this chat button, the one I highlighted, right? This chat button. Just click on this chat button and you can find a tutor there. And they are available during the shift timing from 9 to 5, Monday to Friday, right? So that's all for today. If you have any questions related to the lessons we have just finished, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session.